Ladies and gentlemen, today I remind you of a powerful truth. Failure is not the end. In fact, failure is often the beginning of a remarkable journey towards success. Each setback, disappointment, and stumble you encounter in life is an opportunity for growth, learning, and ultimately achieving your goals. Too often, society portrays failure as something negative, as a symbol of defeat or incompetence. But in reality, failure is an integral part of the human experience. It is through failure that we discover our limitations, challenge ourselves to push beyond them, and ultimately uncover our true potential. Think of some of the greatest innovators, artists, and leaders throughout history. Thomas Edison, the inventor of the light bulb, famously said, "I have not failed, I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work." Edison's relentless pursuit of his visions demonstrates the power of perseverance in the face of failure. He understood that failure was simply a stepping stone on the path to success. Walt Disney, the visionary behind the Disney Empire, faced countless rejections and failures before finding success. He was fired from a newspaper because he lacked creativity, and his first animation company went bankrupt. Yet, Disney never gave up. He used those failures as fuel to drive him forward, eventually creating one of the most beloved and successful entertainment brands in the world. The stories of these great individuals are not unique. They serve as a reminder that failure is an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. So, how can we embrace failure and transform it into a catalyst for success? First and foremost, we must change our mindset. Instead of viewing failures as a setback, we should see it as a stepping stone toward our goals. Each failure brings with it valuable lessons and insights that can guide us toward better decisions and action in the failure. Embrace failure as a teacher, not an adversary. Secondly, we must cultivate resilience. Failure often comes with disappointment, frustrations, and self doubt. It is in these moments that we must summon the strength of reserve. Remember that setbacks are temporary and success is within your reach if you keep moving forward. Surround yourself with a supportive network of friends, mentors, and loved ones who can uplift and encourage you during challenging times. Lastly, use failure as an opportunity for self-reflection and growth. Ask yourself, what did I learn from the experience? How can I improve? What steps can I take to overcome these obstacles? By analyzing your failures, you gain valuable insights into your strengths and weaknesses, which will ultimately lead you to success. In conclusion, failure is not the end. It is merely a stepping stone on the path of greatness. Embrace failure, learn from it, and let it fuel your determinations and resilience. Remember the word of J.K. Rowling, the author of Harry Potter series. It is impossible to live without failing at something unless you live so cautiously that you might as well not have lived at all, in which case you fail by default. So, dare to fail, dare to dream, and let your failures be the stepping stone that guide you to your greatest achievement. Thank you.